Are you sitting on the fence about buying or selling? What I'm about to share with you could change everything about your real estate timeline. The Washoe County and Carson City housing markets are sending some very clear signals right now. And if you're not paying attention, you could miss your window of opportunity. Hi, I'm Shannon Comstock with Remax Gold, and today we're diving deep into the latest housing data that every buyer, seller, and investor in Washoe County and Carson City needs to know. Whether you're wondering if now's the right time to make your move or you're concerned about what these market shifts mean for your home's value, I've got the answers you're looking for. Here's the reality check. Let's talk about what's really happening in Reno first. Now, I know some of you might be feeling a bit nervous when you hear that active listings jumped up 49.9% from last year. That's 1,082 homes on the market right now. Your brain might be thinking, Shannon, does that mean prices are gonna crash? Should I panic? Here's what this actually means for you. With 504 new listings hitting the market in June alone and 351 homes successfully closing, we're seeing a market that's finding its rhythm. That median sales price of $590,000 tells us buyers are still actively investing in our community. The key number I want you to focus on, we're sitting at 3.1 months of inventory. That's still a seller's market, folks, but here's the crucial part. Buyers now have time to do their homework. They're comparing every home in the neighborhood, and if you're the highest price, they're going for a better deal. With so many homes to choose from, today's buyers want it all. Great condition, move-in ready, and yes, they want those repairs and concessions too. Price yourself right or risk pricing yourself out of the market entirely. Moving on to cover sparks, and this is where it gets interesting. With 419 homes for sale and that 61.8% increase in inventory year over year, you might think buyers are running the show, but look at this. 155 homes sold, and that median price of $548,990 is still up 3.6% from last year. Buyers are finding value and sellers are still seeing appreciation. With 2.7 months of inventory, Sparks is actually tighter than Reno. Now, Washoe Valley is telling a completely different story. Only 17 homes for sale, 8 new listings, and 6 sold at a median sales price of $667,500. But here's the kicker. Properties are going under contract in just 10 days. This micro market is red hot, and if you're thinking about Washoe Valley, you need to move fast. Carson City presents a unique opportunity. With 141 homes for sale and a more modest 6.8% increase from last year, this market is staying steady. Those 43 homes that sold at a median sales price of $570,000 show there's still strong demand. At 3.3 months of inventory, Carson City offers buyers a bit more breathing room without sacrificing investment potential. Here's what's really important, and this addresses the elephant in the room. List price to sales price ratios have shifted. Reno at 98.4%, Sparks at 99.3%, Washoe Valley at 95%, and Carson City at 98.3%. We're not seeing those bidding wars that drove prices over asking anymore. What does this mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, this is your moment. You're not going to get steamrolled by 15 competing offers. You can negotiate repairs, you can take time with your inspection, and you can make reasonable offers that get accepted. If you're a seller, don't let this data scare you. Your home is still appreciating. There's still demand, and the right pricing strategy with proper marketing will get you sold. The key is having someone who understands exactly how to position your property in this evolving market. The bottom line, the market isn't crashing, it's normalizing. After years of frenzied buying, we're returning to a healthier balance where both buyers and sellers can make informed decisions without the pressure of extreme conditions. Look, data is just a number on a screen until someone who truly understands this market helps you interpret what it means for your specific situation. Whether you're ready to buy your first home, upgrade to something bigger, or time to sell and move on to your next chapter, the window for making smart moves is wide open right now. I'm Shannon Comstock with Remax Gold, and my promise to you is this: with Digital Spark and Heart, I'll set your home apart. and guide you through every step of your real estate journey. The market may be shifting, but your dreams don't have to wait. Ready to make your move? Let's talk.